Hello my dear children of class 2. So we have already started the topic pronouns, right? What are pronouns? Words which we use in place of a noun. Fine? And we have done the examples. Now, what are those words? Let's see. So, the pronoun words are what? I, you, he, she, it. These are used when? For singular naming words. What? Singular naming words. Fine? Now, for he, she and it, plural pronouns are what? They. Okay? For plural, he, she and it. That means more than one person, we use they. And for I, plural, we use we. What do you mean? When I am also included with someone else. Fine, we use we. Pronoun for you will be you. Fine? As you say, you children. Means what? Many, right? For that, for plural, you will be the same as you. Right? Now, as I told you, he is for what? Referred to male member. He is referred to what? Masculine, males, right? If suppose more than one male, right? Fine. He, or more than one boy, or more than one man, many uncles. Okay, more than one, then we call them they. Say similarly for she also, more women. They are working in the factory. Okay, if I say she, that means I'm talking about only one person, one lady, one woman. But if it is more than one, we call they. And it also again, it likes to chew bones. Okay, suppose if I'm talking about a dog, it likes to chew bones. But if there are more than one dogs, then what will I say? They are chewing bones, right? More than one. So students, kindly take out your English grammar book to page 34. So we have already started pronouns. Fine? And as I given you the introduction, what are the pronoun words? He, she, they, we, I, it. Fine? I hope you have gone through the book, this passage that I have told you to read and understand. Okay. Now let's do. And before writing, what you'll do, you'll write classwork and the date. Fine? Now, complete these sentences choosing the correct words from the brackets. So, each sentences you will see brackets are given and there are options. So, you have to choose the correct one. Pawan was wearing a shirt. Dash was dirty. Dash was dirty. So, what is dirty? Yeah, what was dirty? So, it was dirty, they was dirty, or she was dirty. We are talking about shirt. So, it will be what? Here, what we will write here? It. It was dirty. Talking about shirt. Fine. B. Anisha and Rahul played in the park. So, Anisha and Rahul. Two people, huh? Anisha and Rahul played in the park. Dash hopped up and down. See here, two people. He, they or she. He is used for singular, plural and again singular, feminine, okay. So we will write they. They hopped up and down. C. Rajiv is not at home. Dash has gone to the market with his brother. He, they or she. Rajiv. Okay, and here it is written his mother, referring to boy, male, masculine. Fine? So it will be what? He. So he has gone to the market with his brother. Let's see D. Rupa's dog is unwell. Okay, you see Rupa and her dog. The doctor is looking at Dash. Dog, okay? Remember? The doctor is looking at she. The doctor is looking at it. Or the doctor is looking at he. The doctor is looking at it. Fine? Okay. E. This is Rajni. Look at here, Rajni, she's eating, okay? Fruits. Something else in the bowl. This is Rajni. Dash is eating an apple. She is eating an apple. It is eating an apple, or he is eating an apple. You see the girl? So, we'll use what? He? No, we'll use she. She is eating an apple. Fine? So, children, today we will do only this much. Fine? For today, this is the written work. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye, children.